my name is Jessie Grazici. I'm here with the High Cap Soldering Workshop. So inside we are teaching anyone who wants to learn about any soldering skills. We have little kits where they can put together a little blinky badge. Let me see. Let me see the blinky badge. Hey. So it looks like this. So our guests are soldering on the battery clip as well as the switch and the light, which completes the circuit. This circuit board was designed at HiCap by our members, and it works like this. You just turn it on and off. And it sort of teaches you the basics for how a circuit works and how you can use soldering to build your electrical devices that you have in mind, like these blinky, awesome glasses. So this is made with a microcontroller inside, and we 3D printed the housing for it as well. It also has a rechargeable battery. So, yeah. And that's it. Come check out the high capacity, the hackerspace in Manoa. Check out all the other makerspaces all around the island.